Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.1 question number 11 from the chapter Relations and Functions. Show that the relation R in the set A of points in a plane given by R is equal to P, Q, where P and Q are at the same distance from the origin. So here A is nothing but set of points in a plane. So A can be P, Q, R, S, T, like that, set of points in a plane. R is the ordered pair P, Q. So what is the relation between the points P and Q? They are at a distance, same distance from the origin O. That is OP is equal to OQ. That is given. So we have to prove that R is an equivalence relation. So let us first prove it is reflexive. So how do you prove it is reflexive? For any point P in the set A, take any point P, we have to prove that P, P belongs to R. You know that OP is equal to OP because P represents the same point. So distance of P from the origin will be the same. OP is equal to OP. That means P, P belongs to R for all P belongs to A. Isn't it? Therefore, it is reflexive. Now, how do you prove it is symmetric? You need 2 points. So, take P and Q. Now, PQ belongs to R. Let PQ belongs to R. What does it mean? OP is equal to OQ. The distance of the point P and Q from O are equal. So, OP is equal to OQ. If OP is equal to OQ, then OQ will be equal to OP. Isn't it? So, if OQ is equal to OP, that means QP belongs to R. So, PQ belongs to R and QP belongs to R. That means it is symmetric. Let us prove it is transitive, the relation R. So take 3 points P, Q and R or S. P, Q and S be 3 points in A. We are taking 3 points from the set A such that PQ belongs to R. PQ belongs to R means OP is equal to OQ. The distance of the points P and Q from O are equal. QS belongs to R. That means OQ is equal to OS. If OP is equal to OQ and OQ is equal to OS, that means OP will be equal to OS, isn't it? OP is equal to OQ and OQ is equal to OS, that means OP will be equal to OS. If OP is equal to OS, then PS belongs to R. We know that to prove transitive, we have to prove if PQ belongs to R and QS belongs to R, PS belongs to R. So we have proved that PS belongs to R. So R is transitive. So R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore R is an equivalence relation. Now we have to prove the second part of the question. The second part of the question is we have to prove that the set of all the points related to the point P. So A has so many points. Some points are related to the point P. So we have to prove that all these points will form a circle with center at O and radius as OP. That's what we have to prove. To prove that, so it is let P be a fixed point, that P is a given point, and let us take OP as some distance K. Assume it as K. K can be 5 or anything. Now all the other points related to P, that means Q. Suppose if you take Q, OQ will also be equal to K because P and Q are related. If you take R, OR will also be equal to K. So the set of all the points related to P, that means P, Q, R, S, all will form a circle with center O and radius K. So the set of all the points related to P will be at a distance of K units from the origin, and they all represent a circle with the center O and radius OP. Thank you.